Gary Box is accused of killing Tanisha Huff, the mother of his child, and few were as shocked as this woman.
11th grade high school, I was at the bus stop, and he basically approached me and asked me for the time.
Cassia Brown is stunned. Box was even out of prison. After what happened to her in 2001, she was kidnapped by Box, dragged to a vacant apartment, then assaulted over and over an entire day as Box made sure she couldn't escape.
How he tied me up, he cut off the extension cord to the TV and the fans and tied me up, tied my hands and my feet up.
Box was eventually caught, pled guilty, and went to jail. But Cassia had no idea he was out of prison. That's why she favors Marsy's Law, or Issue 1. It would give victims an Ohio constitutional right to be present at hearings like parole or release, require notifications to victims, give victims input on plea deals. But not everyone is in favor, including the Association of Prosecutors and the Ohio Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers.
I think some of the biggest issues people have are the unanswered questions.
Jason Philibom has worked as both a prosecutor and a defense lawyer.
A lot of times the legislatures put laws into effect that have good intent, and then at the end of the day, what happens when you actually have to apply the law?
Supporters say, if nothing else, it would give a victim the ability to go in front of a judge to determine if their rights had been violated. Marsy's Law has the support of Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters and has already passed in 5 states. Now, those like Cassia Brown hope Ohio is the next. Now, those who oppose Marsy's Law say many of the rights are already on the books here in Ohio, and those simply need to be enforced. Mike?
All right, Brian Hamrick live.